right, so this is a bonus lecture to help everybody have a better chance to get accepted to Maxbounty. Now, if I want to preface this by saying that if you don't get accepted to Maxbounty, it's not the end of the world. There are a million other CPA sites out there and CPA networks out there. You simply go to Google, type in CPA networks, or type in best CPA networks, top CPA networks, and you can find a list of other CPA networks. Now, I'm going to list 4 of them really fast that I recommend, that I use, but you can join any number of them. If you Google them, you can join these 4 plus Maxbounty. You can apply to all of them. You can apply to 2 of them, 3 of them, 4 of them, all of them, whatever it is, it's up to your discretion. I'm going to list, obviously I'm going to show you Maxbounty in a second, and then I'm going to list 4 other ones for you. But like I said, there are hundreds. There might be thousands, millions. Who knows? There's clearly not millions. It's just a figure of speech. I get carried away. But okay, so the first 4, and I'm going to link them in this lecture. I'll attach them to this lecture, and I'll actually link a document with all 4 of them attached to this lecture, a Word document, in case you can't click it, because every once in a while students say they have trouble clicking the attachments. So I'll just attach a Word document on top of that with the links in the Word document as well. So the first one is obviously Peerfly. Like I said, you don't have to worry. All these will be linked you don't have to worry about the URLs. They'll all be linked in the bonus lecture. So the first one is Peerfly. The second one is ClickBooth, not ClickBank, ClickBooth. That's a CPA network like ClickBank. So Peerfly, ClickBooth, OfferVault is a great one, and W4. Those are my 4 top ones outside of Maxbounty that you can join if you don't get accepted to Maxbounty. But obviously my favorite is Maxbounty. So I'm going to run through the list of, the process of Maxbounty for you in a second, and then I'm going to give you my tips and tricks so that you can be better insured and have the best shot of getting accepted to the network. If you don't get accepted to the network, like I said, not the end of the world. Join a bunch of other ones. Join the 4 that I recommended. On top of that, if you don't get accepted, and believe it or not, I didn't get accepted to Maxbounty my first try, you can simply, build build your knowledge a little bit where you feel like it's lacking. Build your marketing skills, and hop on the other sites. Build kind of a blueprint and a business card, essentially, and proof of concept, basically, that you understand what you're doing, so that when you reapply to Maxbounty, maybe a week, 2 weeks, a month later, they will accept you. Now, obviously, I can't promise that they're going to accept you, even if you do everything in this. It depends, both geographically and the person that's going through. There's a personable process to it. So you might have an affiliate manager that gives you an interview basically over the phone. Maybe he's having a bad day and he doesn't want to accept you, or maybe he's a little bit, or she's a little bit, more, they're more of a stickler than other ones. There are a million different factors to why they may or may not accept you. The important thing is to not get discouraged, because if they don't accept you, you join another network, you join a bunch of other networks, or you simply wait and you reapply later. It does not mean you will never get accepted. It just means that they don't accept you right now. Okay, so that's key. You can always reapply later, join the other networks. Now, moving on to the specifics of how you can ensure that you get the best possible opportunity and chance to join Maxbounty. And also, if you haven't already, clicked the links or the attached links in this lecture. I do actually have a referral link for Maxbounty. If you want to click that, that'd be awesome. Obviously, I get paid a commission. The commission is 5% of every sale that you make, so it does not take any money away from you. It just adds money to me. 5% of your commissions is not that much, but if you factor it over the year, or if you factor it over, say 100 people click that link and sign up through my referral link, obviously I get a decent commission if a bunch of people do it. So I'd really appreciate if you did it. I get a commission, you win, I win, everybody wins. Doesn't take any money out of your pocket, but hey, if you don't want to do it, no worries, no big deal. The first thing that happens when you apply to Maxbounty is they're going to ask you for basically a written application. What do you feel like you bring to the table? Now, in my experience, this is not where a lot of people get rejected. There's 2 possible chances that you can get rejected, and I'm going to go through them right here. The first thing that they're going to do, like I said, is they're going to ask you for a written, application, which is basically a paragraph or 2 that demonstrates, what you bring to the table as a marketer. So if you want to take a couple of my other courses on marketing, and you can bring those ideas to this application. If you buy any one of my courses, I do run a promotion basically where if you buy one of my courses, you get them all free, and that is running till the end of October. So you have about right at the time of this lecture, just email me if you're interested in that promotion. I'll let you know if it's still running basically. So if you bought this course, or any of my other courses, you're entitled to all my courses, and you can check out my marketing techniques. There's a million marketing techniques you can all apply to this application that will basically give you a great chance to succeed. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to take a good chance, and this is basically, I think this is exactly what I sent to them. I saved it as application impressions for affiliate and CPA sites. This was saved a while ago. I literally I'm pretty sure I submitted this exact application to them. And basically what this does is it demonstrates my marketing, prowess, what I bring to the table as a marketer. What they really want to know is, that you understand how to market to the right people and get their links clicked, because the affiliate manager, believe it or not, he doesn't want to deny you. He wants to accept you, but he wants to make sure that you're going to basically, market the right way, and that you understand how to get the potential links and offers to the right people on, online. So that's what he basically wants, because if you make money, he makes money. He gets a percentage of your commission. It doesn't take any money off the top. So if you earn a commission of $6, he doesn't get, you don't lose any money where he gets paid. He just basically wants to see you succeed, because if you succeed, he succeeds. Okay, so he wants you to succeed. Trust me. He just wants to vet. That's why some of them are a little bit more strict and some of them aren't, because they want to vet good quality candidates. So what you can do to better ensure that you get accepted to the site and the network is demonstrate full-heartedly that you understand marketing concepts. I'm going to read exactly what I put here. Now you can switch this around a little bit. Please don't take mine word for word, but you can kind of, don't lie either if you're not doing this, because they're going to ask for a website too. And if you don't, little caveat here, if you don't have a website, clearly you should get a website, number one, because that's basically your digital business card. But if you don't have a website, you can use a YouTube channel. You can use a Facebook page, given that it gets decent traffic. You can use an Instagram page. You can use a Twitter account. Basically, you want to market whatever you bring to the table. And if you do get denied, simply readjust, get some new techniques, some new ideas, and bring that to the application the next time. There's no limit to how many times you can apply. Okay, so I'm going to read you mine, and then you can kind of basically mold yours in a similar fashion if you want, and kind of use and you can see how long ago this was. It says 18,000 students it's approaching. I think I'm currently about 50,000 students, so that was a long time ago. So pretty excited about that. But I'm going to read it to you really fast. It says, I'm a digital marketing strategist with an expertise in multiple facets of driving traffic to specific websites. Exactly what they want to hear. What they basically want to know is that you can drive traffic to their links and their sites, because the offers pay the offers on the sites pay you a commission, and the affiliate manager gets a commission on your commission. If that makes sense. Okay, so I'm a digital marketing strategist with an expertise in multiple facets of driving traffic to specific websites. I'm an online instructor with a student base currently approaching 18,000. Now I'm going to go through literally demonstrating all the ways that I bring value to the table for them, and how I have, not only a student base, Instagrams, YouTube page, stuff like that. I'm basically demonstrating all my marketing prowesses and how I'm going to drive traffic to their offers. And I'm going to lay it out for them, because that's what they want to hear, okay? I'm an online instructor with a student base currently approaching 18,000. That student base is highly impressionable, and I construct my courses around teaching software and utilizing products that I believe in and promote. Currently, my student base seems to be growing pretty rapidly, about 500 people per day. I also have multiple Instagrams centered around targeted niches, and if you're interested in learning that, you can check out my Instagram course. Like I said, it's linked in the next lecture, in the bonus lecture at the end of this course, under discount links to all my courses. Check that out. That's a great way to bring value to the table to a CPA network like Maxbounty. So it says, I also have multiple Instagrams centered around targeted niches, all with engaged followings of thousands of people. I use the links in my bio to generate traffic to landing pages where I A, capture emails of the people interested in that niche, and B, promote other products/offers. On top of that, I have multiple email lists centered around those niches. If you're interested in email marketing and generating email lists, you can check out my email marketing course. That's called Email Marketing or Email and Affiliate Marketing Mastermind. That's also linked in the same bonus lectures under discount links to all my courses in the next bonus lecture. And if you don't know what a bonus lecture is, it's basically the article document that has all the links after this. My email lists range from extremely targeted at several hundred all the way up to about 50,000. Furthermore, I recently started a YouTube channel, another way that I promote basically. I'm demonstrating more value. Furthermore, I recently started a YouTube channel where I promote similar content, and it seems to be growing at a respectable pace. I'm well versed at running Facebook ads, another way that I bring value to the table, Facebook ads. And I actually don't have a Facebook ads course out at the moment. That is one of the courses I've been working on currently. That's coming out relatively soon. Check back for that. It's very exciting. That alone should bring a lot of value to CPA networks, Facebook ads. And then so I'm well versed at running Facebook ads and then remarketing back to the people I get clicks and impressions on. Finally, I have a multitude of blogs and websites that I drive traffic to overall. With these, I can catch people with content, capture their emails, engage with them more directly, and promote any content I feel will better improve their experience. I'm excited to continue to grow as a digital marketer, continue to build my following, and continue to promote products I believe in. So that's the key there. I'm not basically saying, please accept me, I really want to make money, I'm looking for a CPA network that can accept me so I can have a chance to make money. No, they want to understand. They don't want to have to teach you how to market. They want to know that you already bring value to the table as a marketer, and you basically need to demonstrate the ways that you're going to drive traffic and market their products. And I also kind of subtly say at the end, continue to promote products I believe in, because that is what I do. I promote products and CPA offers that I believe in, basically. Obviously outside the scope of this course, but this course is basically, I don't do this course to make money. I literally just tested a couple of IPs and different stuff to see if it was a viable option for you.